Hi everyone, this is Daniel Eigenman for the Daniel Eigenman Finance Broker Forum. I hope you're having a nice weekend. It is now Sunday late afternoon. Sorry guys, I wasn't able to do the video yesterday. I've been just too busy. Today I wanted to do a quick video following up on what we talked about last weekend. Last weekend we talked about the 20% deposit. What I wanted to talk about this week is about the 5% deposit. When you look at how much money you actually require as a deposit, you have, as last week I said, an option to go at 20%, and at 20% you don't have to pay mortgage insurance. However, if you don't have the 20%, don't worry, you can actually borrow a lot more than the 80%. You can go up to about 5%. But when you go to 5%, I would recommend that you actually talk to someone before you make an offer on a property. It is important that you talk to someone to make sure that your 5% do qualify as 5%. And by that I mean that the banks, when you go above 80%, you'll have mortgage insurance. And then they require what we call 5% genuine savings. And genuine savings means that you need to have 5% of the value of the property in your savings account under your name for at least 3 months. Some banks will accept that you've built up the 5% over a period of 3 months. Most banks will want you to have the 5% 3 months before you apply, but there's, as you can see, there are some nuances that are important that you understand. Now, if you don't have the 5% 3 months ago, there are other options. For example, if you are renting with a licensed property manager, we can always use your rental history over the last 6 to 12 months as a mitigating factor for the 5%. I know it's getting quite technical, but it is important that you understand these basic principles. All right, so you either have 5% 3 months ago, or 5% you've built up over 3 months. Or if you don't have that money 3 months ago, then what you can do, you can use your rental history. But you need to have a clean rental history of about 6 months or 12 months, depending on what lender you go with. All right, so if you've got any questions, make sure you talk to someone, or more importantly, talk to me. As I said, put a message down there as a post, and I will get back to you directly. All right, so my message for today is that you don't necessarily need 20% as a deposit. You still have the option to go as low as 5%. Some banks, actually we have one bank, that will require only 2%, but that's not for everyone. So if you're not sure, as I said, give me a call and I'll see whether you qualify. All right, so I hope that helps. If you got any questions, as I said, get in touch with me. Otherwise, enjoy your Sunday. Talk to you next week. Bye.